LA Commons is community. They have focused a lot on the community. I feel like art really it puts things that you can't really say into mind, like into pictures. And LA Commons impacted my community. Definitely, I feel like it has inspired a lot of people and just to bring a lot of people together. Really, LA Commons helped me to get out of my shell and to really expose me to different things that I never thought I would be doing. Just like 25 years is a big milestone because it makes me happy that something has been thriving for so long. I definitely envision LA Commons to have more deeper connection to the community and for the community to know you know what, that's LA Commons, you should go here, do this with them, they're very trusted. And I just definitely envision bigger community with them, and definitely I envision them more smiles, more people gaining themselves as an artist.